Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Avni Gupta and in today's video we are going to solve 60 very important MCQs based on tempera colors and gouache colors, their process, materials, properties and applications. These questions are specially designed for CUET PG Paintings exam and they are also useful for BFA. So let's begin. First question. Tempera painting traditionally uses which binder? Option C. Egg yolk. Next. Tempera colors are known for their option B. Fast drying nature. Next. Egg tempera was widely used during option B. Renaissance period. Next. Tempera paint dries mainly by option B. Evaporation. Next. Which surface is most suitable for tempera paintings? Option B. Wood panel with gesso. Next, tempera painting technique requires option C. Layering with thin strokes. Next, one major limitation of tempera painting is option B. Difficulty in blending. Next, tempera paint films are generally option B. Brittle. Next, traditional tempera colors are option B. Water based. Next, which technique is commonly associated with tempera? Option C. Hatching. Next, tempera painting shows best result when applied. Option C. In small controlled strokes. Next, which of the following is not a characteristic of tempera? Option C. Heavy texture. Next, tempera paintings are highly valued for their option B. Color permanence. Next, gesso is applied on panel before tempera to option B. Create absorbent ground. Next, tempera is most suitable for option B. Highly detailed linear work. Next, which pigment property is essential for tempera? Option C. Chemical stability. Next, tempera painting technique originated mainly in option B. Italy. Next, in tempera, colors appear option B. Lighter after drying. Next, which painting medium replaced tempera during the Renaissance? Option B. Oil painting. Next, egg tempera is sensitive to option B. Moisture. Next, tempera allows correction mainly by option C. Layering new strokes. Next, the visual quality of tempera can be described as option C. Sharp and luminous. Next, which brush type suits tempera best? Option C. Soft fine brush. Next, tempera is closely related to option A. Drying. Next, tempera colors are mixed with water because they are option C. Emulsion based. Next, one advantage of tempera over oil painting is option C. Clean working process. Next, tempera paintings require which kind of approach? Option B. Planned and methodical. Next, which historic artwork medium often used gold leaf with tempera? Option B. Manuscript illumination. Next, tempera paint layers should be option B. Thin and dry. Next, tempera painting is best preserved when option C. Framed and protected. Next, gouache is best described as option B. opaque watercolor. Next, gouache differs from watercolor mainly because it is option B, more opaque. Next, the opacity of gouache is achieved by adding option B, resin. Next, gouache is commonly used in option B, poster and illustration work. Next, which binder is used in gouache? Option B, gum arabic. Next, gouache dries mainly by option B, evaporation. Next, which surface is ideal for gouache? Option B, watercolor paper. Next, one disadvantage of gouache is option C, color shift after drying. Next, gouache allows correction because it is option B, rewettable. Next, gouache colors appear after drying. Option B, lighter. Next, gouache painting requires control mainly over option B, water quantity. Next, gouache is not suitable for option C, heavy impasto. Next, which technique is common in gouache? Option B, flat wash. Next, gouache paint layers should ideally be option B, thin and even. Next, which artist frequently used gouache? Option A, Henry Matisse. Next, gouache is preferred by designers because option B, colors photograph well. Next, excess water in gouache can cause option B, uneven surface. Next, gouache differs from tempera because gouache option C, can be reactivated with water. Next, gouache paint surface generally appears option B, matte. Next, which factor affects gouache color intensity most? Option C, amount of water. Next, gouache is best suited for option B, illustrative and graphic work. Next, gouache can be layered successfully when option B, lower layer is dry. Next, gouache painting requires option C, careful planning. Next, gouache is sometimes called option A, poster color. Next, gouache is less durable than oil painting because it is option B, remains water soluble. Gouache colors are best preserved when option C, framed under glass. Next, gouache is closely related to option A, watercolor. Next, which brush is ideal for gouache? Option B, soft, flat, or round. Next, gouache painting originated mainly in option B, medieval Europe. Next, the main challenge in gouache painting is ऑप्शन बी, कंट्रोलिंग ओपेसिटी एंड वाटर। तो गाइस आज के लिए बस इतना ही। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।